So we have our bottle capper, round 2. We have our display with status messages, our cycle start button, a power button, and a cycle home and cycle stop button. Sequence of operations, it comes and grabs the bottle. It will move it to the first position, check whether it's got a cap on it or not, and if it does, it will move it under the capper and come down and uncap it. It's got its cycle start mode. As soon as everything's ready and initialized to go, that changes color. So we'll put a bottle in there. So I'll press the cycle start button, and we'll grab the bottle, move it under there. It's coming down to check if it's got a cap or not. And it raises up so the bottle can actually clear underneath it. And it's, yeah, the weight's a little off, so it's not going where it should be, but that'll be fine. And we'll see if it likes this already uncapped bottle cap that's on it right now. Nope, there we go. Okay. It's stuck on this bottle cap, that's awesome. Okay. So, yep. We have a 4-layer circuit board that's got the stepper drives for both stepper motors on it, a complete redundant set of switches, so we can do things like the manual jog mode to set stuff up. Yeah, it's got a Hall effect sensor. This one's actually a wheel speed sensor, and the difference from a regular Hall effect sensor is that it's got a permanent magnet built in, so it can actually detect ferrous objects instead of having to detect a magnet like a standard Hall effect sensor would be. So, and we've got the stepper motor for the carousel, the stepper motor for the lead screw.
There's 3 limit switches on it. The first one was what detected a bottle with no cap. It says yes, there's a bottle present, but if the Hall effect sensor doesn't read the cap, then it'll spit it back out. There's another one up here for the home position on the lead screw, and there's one back here that gets hit by the back of the pneumatic cylinder for the home on the carousel part.
There's the grip. It'll move that.
The pneumatics for it, it's got a regulator off of our generic tank, and then it goes into a program-controlled solenoid valve, which decides whether it's going to give pressure to the cylinder or not. It's only a one-way cylinder, so it's got a return spring to open the jaws back up rather than being pressurized to open them up.